Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This house, with its Spanish style villa design, is nestled in the upscale community of Belvedere, Red Hills. It has 7 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, plus approximately 7,000 square feet of living space. It sits on over one-third acre of land. The roof is terracotta clay tiles, brick paved driveway with 2 carports. The house has 3 levels, 2 visible to the front and 3 from the back. The house is separated into 3 self-contained sections, which makes it a great investment opportunity. It can also easily be converted back into a single-family residence, complete with modern fixtures, remote control gate, and 2 large water tanks. Don't miss the great investment opportunity. Schedule your viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 90 million or US $584,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.